Hey guys, this is Swati and here's Vishal and we are back with some fantastic news for all of you.
So after the success of launching our love story, SWATI Cosmetics, around the world, we have some really good news today.
We have partnered up with
Sephora Collection!
Oh my god! In the first kit, we have one of our best-selling jade lenses paired with the amazing Big by Definition mascara from Sephora Collection. This combo will give you that perfect, exotic but natural look. In the second kit, we have combined one pair of aquamarine 1:1 lenses with a Big by Definition mascara from Sephora Collection. This kit will make you stand out from the crowd for sure.
So guys, if you live in Europe, you will be able to buy this amazing collaboration in Sephora online official stores. And if you are in Italy or France, lucky you will get it in the retail stores as well.
Oh my god. And don't forget to say it with your eyes. Go get your limited edition kits right away.